Bonjour. Today we are going to learn or rather revise the French general conversation. This is part 2. We already have part 1 and we have part 3 as well. So same thing. We have 3 tenses. We are supposed to come up with 15 questions. So 5 questions in the present tense, 5 questions in the past tense, and 5 questions either in the future tense or conditional tense. So these 3 parts are just looking at present tense because they're the easiest and they're the most vast. Yeah, there are more possibilities in present tense. Then for past tense and future or conditional, there will be fewer questions, possible questions, right? So that's the reason we were supposed to come up with 3 parts. So let's continue. Alright, the first question says, comment s'appelle ta meilleure amie? Or comment s'appelle ton meilleur ami? So ta meilleure amie is feminine, so female. Ton meilleur ami is for masculine, for male. And the meaning is, what's the name of your best friend? Meilleur means best. The answer is ma meilleure amie s'appelle, or you can say ma meilleure amie est, using the verb to be. Or you can say mon meilleur ami s'appelle or mon meilleur ami est. The other question. Tu parles quelle langue? Which language do you speak? Je parle le shona, l'anglais et un peu de français. In most cases, that's what you would say because you don't know so many languages. But if you know, then it's up to you if you want to learn how to say them in French, or you just prepare for your exams and say that. Or you can just stick to je parle le shona, it's still fine. But yeah, that's it. The other question says, tu parles combien de langues? Combien means how many. So I guess you know the meaning. How many languages do you speak? Then you can say how many. Je parle 3 langues. Le shona, l'anglais et le français. You can add another language like le ndebele, which makes it 4 instead of 3. The other question says, quelle est ta matière préférée? You have to make a difference between matière and métier. Matière means subject and métier means profession. Okay, so the meaning, what is your favorite subject? The answer, j'aime le shona, j'aime le français, j'aime l'anglais, j'aime l'histoire. You can add, j'aime la géographie, ainsi de suite. The other option, you can say j'adore le shona, le français, l'anglais, l'histoire. Or, je préfère le shona, le français, l'anglais, l'histoire. Or, ma matière préférée est le shona, l'anglais, l'histoire, le français. Tu es bonne en quoi? Which means you are good in what? Meaning, which subjects are you good at? Okay? Then you can say je suis bonne en ndebele, en géographie, en français, en anglais, ainsi de suite. It's up to you which subject you want to put here. Then they can ask you why. Pourquoi? And then you say parce que c'est intéressant. Then the other question, tu es nul en quoi? You are bad in which subject? And the question added is pourquoi? Why? Then the answer, je suis nul en maths. We all know that mathematics is not that easy. Then you ask why? Parce que c'est difficile, because it's difficult. The other question says, qu'est-ce que tu fais pendant le week-end? Then you can say, je vais au cinéma. You can stop there and you can just add, je vais au cinéma avec mes amis. I go to the cinema with my friends. Or you can revise expressions using faire and say, je fais de la bicyclette. Je fais du vélo, which means the same thing. I ride on a bicycle. Or you can say, je vais à l'église, meaning I go to church. Okay. The question says, quelle est la date de ton anniversaire? I told you French was the cousin to English. Anniversaire, I guess you understand. It's like anniversary. So maybe, what is your birthday? The other way of asking it is, tu es né quand? or quand es-tu né. They all mean when were you born, because quand means when. Answer: c'est le 9 janvier. It is on the 9th of January. You can just change, revise dates, okay? Or you can say c'est le 1er mars, which is the first of March. The other option is je suis né le 4 mai. I was born on the 4th of May. Other question: où es-tu né? Let me pause, or rather, please pause the video and try to figure out the meaning of où. Did you find it? If you didn't, try to remember the usual question that you always get from your teacher. Où habites-tu? It means where. So in this case, où es-tu né? It means where were you born? And answer: je suis né à Léo. Quel est ton animal préféré? I'm sure everyone got that one correct. Animal is just like English, cousins, remember? Yeah. What's your favorite animal? So you have to revise vocabularies on animals and say j'aime le lion if you like lions. J'aime le chat if you like cats. J'aime le chien. J'aime le cheval. Okay, normally you're supposed to put it in plural, but I just think for the exam, don't go into plurals, because let's talk about le cheval. Le cheval means horse, and when you want to say horses, it's no longer le cheval, it becomes les chevaux. For lion, cat, and dog, doesn't change much. What you have to change is like the position of the lips, and you just smile a little bit and say j'aime les lions, les chats, les chiens. That becomes plural, and it becomes okay. And we also add j'aime l'ours when it's one bear, or j'aime les ours when there are many. Or you can replace j'aime by j'adore, je préfère, or mon animal préféré est le lion, le chat, le chien, le cheval, l'ours. Thank you very much. Merci. Au revoir.